Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video about how to apply for a mortgage. The reason why I'm doing this video because I myself is in the process of buying a new house, and I thought I'll do such a video which could help others. I'm not a mortgage advisor, it's just truly based on my personal experience, and I thought my experience maybe could help somebody else. And this, which is why I'm doing this video. So I will take you step by step the process of applying for a mortgage. It's very easy. So the process from start to finish, the steps to follow is very, very easy. So first of all, the first thing is you need to get in touch with your mortgage broker to get an AIP, which is agreement in principle. You can go to bank directly if you wish to. Benefits of a broker is your lending amount will be higher compared to you go directly to a bank. So for agreement in principle, the documents which your broker might ask you to provide would be your 3 months wage slips. So let's say if you're in the month of May, you need to go back 3 months and provide your wage slips. You also need to provide your 3 months bank statements. So if you are a self-employed person, then you have to provide your 2 years of tax returns to your mortgage broker. You also need to provide the proof of your ID and proof of address, which should be a utility bill, a council tax bill. Your proof of ID could be your driving license. You also need to provide a copy of your passport because you are applying for a property in UK, so you need to provide a copy of your passport. You would also need to provide the proof of deposit savings, 6 months bank statements. In addition, you also need to provide full details of any loans, credit card, car hire purchase. Your mortgage broker might ask you to sign the terms of business. They also might ask you to sign some of the data privacy documents. Once you have your agreement in principle ready, the second step is you need to start finding a property. Finding a property as per your needs, such as travel, schools, shops. And once you have found a property, then you have to give an offer, and let's hope your offer gets accepted. Then you need to ask your estate agent to issue a memorandum of sale to both parties. Your estate agent could send you conveyancing code to choose a solicitor, or you can select your own solicitor. Your mortgage broker will do a full application with the bank at this point. You might have to pay them, and they will ask for some more documents depending upon case by case. When I say application, it means full mortgage application. This can take up to 3 to 4 weeks depending on building society or bank. For self-employed people, you might need a letter from your accountant stating the status of your self-employment. Bank might ask you for tax overview for self-employed, and this also you get it from your accountant. The bank will order a valuation of the property you made the offer for, and the reason why the banks do the valuation in order to find out how much the new house worth. So let's say if the valuation turns out to be lower, then you might have to pay the difference from your own pocket, or you might need to ask the seller to lower the price, which is very highly unlikely. Now, the step 6, let's say all things goes well, the lender will give you a mortgage offer which is valid for 6 months. So the step 7 is you need to get in touch with the solicitors. They will do the inquiries or searches, set dates for completion. How long does this take place? Well, it all depends. It all depends on a case-by-case basis. But on a minimum level, if all things goes well, around about 8 to 10 weeks is the time slot which your solicitor will give you. But as I mentioned, it depends upon the case by case, and if it's a flat or if there is a chain of houses, so then it might take a bit longer. If your solicitors are happy with all the report and searches, they might ask you for a completion date. So the next step would be exchange of contracts, where your solicitor will request a sum of deposit to be transferred. At this point, you need to have a home insurance ready for your new house. The next step would be the completion, which means the property would be 100% yours. So the cost involves. Well, what are the cost involves? Number 1 is the mortgage broker fee. The mortgage broker fee starts from £300 and goes up to £600 or more. The solicitor fee, a minimum of £1,600 to £2,000. You need to bear in mind the stamp duty along with additional surcharge if it's not your first home. You need to think of deposit. The deposit is about 23 to 25% if it's a second home. Valuation fee, well, it depends on the bank, could be anything from £200 to £1,000. Arrangement fee, well, this starts from £900 and can be added to your loan amount, but it will attract interest. Valuation addition to the bank can cost you. There are 3 types of valuation. So the first valuation is level 1, which is a brief report on property. Level 2 valuation, which is called survey and give guidance of any defects in the property. Level 3 valuation, building survey valuation, which is a detailed report on the condition of the property. So these are the costs involved. You might have to think of the moving cost. This video is truly based on my personal experience. As I explained, I'm not a mortgage advisor or a broker. It's my personal experience I'm sharing, which could help other people. My completion date is not yet confirmed. As I explained, I myself is in the process of buying the house. So this is the whole process from start to finish. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below. My next video will be for the foster carers who are planning to apply for a mortgage. So stay tuned for my next video, especially for the foster carers. Until then, you take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.